Well, the product I'm making is it's a storage box. It's designed based on the 13 inch by 13 inch by 15 inch ubiquitous kind of office space white cardboard box size that everybody seems to have. And those boxes are so popular that lots of companies have made shelving units especially for them, particularly Ikea. So my idea is to replace those storage boxes with something that's made out of real hardwood, high quality made, and it's going to last a long time. That will fit right into those, integrate right into those shelves that everybody seems to have nowadays. So for me, it was a product that I made for myself first because I wanted it for my home. I happen to have those shelves myself, and I was looking for a little storage unit that would go right in there. And the only thing I found were just products that weren't very high quality and yet were still kind of high priced. So I wasn't satisfied with those products, so I went home and I made a few for myself. Well, I'm making my product out of recycled wood whenever possible. I'm using pine and fir and things like that you usually will find in construction waste and so forth. And when I can't find recycled materials, I'm just using knotty pine that I buy locally. It's all solid hardwoods. There's no plywood except the bottom of the box. Everything is stained and toned with shellac and then finally given a clear coat of lacquer. And I actually use my bicycle to transport my lumber and my tools to and from home from the shop. I'm trying to build a business that doesn't produce any unnecessary impact on the environment. I try to be aware of those issues, and I realize there's not much I can do, but I try to make the difference when I can. The little differences count a lot, I think. The pieces of the box come from jigs and templates so that they're all identical. They're interchangeable parts, more or less. So I glue up the wood, I bring it down to size, I cut it with my templates, and I run it through the router to make all the different cuts. And then basically it's just up to the customer to assemble it, and it should be just a few simple screws and hoping they can handle that. My product also, being something that the customer is able to put together themselves simply, it ships flat. There's only 5 pieces to the one box and 6 pieces to the other box, so it ships flat very simply with just a handful of screws.